Hold, brother. He wants the Grave Walker.
The Black Hand has come.
One of his minions. He was sent here to hunt us down. Let me gather my men.
The servants of Sauron are foes beyond any of you. Get your people out of Mordor tonight, or you'll all be dead by dawn.
There is a hidden tunnel to the Black Gate. Aaron, it's time. Goodbye, my friend.
So the local war chiefs did nothing to prevent this sacrilege?
They all perished in battle, my lord. All except me. War Chief Ratbag.
Fortunately, you are still alive. Now, bring me the head of this Grave Walker.
Claim the head yourself.
The Ranger from the Black Gate. Where was your bravery when we bled your wife and gutted your son? Kill him! I will teach you what real pain is! Disarm him! Step back and learn the art of the kill. Finish him, you useless orc filth! Is this your best, Grave Walker? Now I inflict the pain. Back to work, swine! Back to work! Back to Earth, Ranger! Time to die! Back to the enemy! Ranger, time to die! Teach you what pain is! Is this your best, Grave Walker? Watch out! He's got fast hair! No! The car! Not me! Your time is not human! Use the death blow and prove your worth, big filth! The Dark Lord will rule! rose from the grave, but now you will meet eternal death. The Dark Lord will rule. Now I inflict the pain. I will teach you what real pain is. Come down on us. I snap that order. It's your end. Your time is not now. How does your vengeance taste, Talion? Is not the darkness sweet? You acted too hastily. There's much we could have learned.
He slaughtered my entire family before my very eyes. What would you have done?
Do you speak with the living? Or only with the dead?
Who are you?
My name is Lothariel, from the Sea of Nurnen. My mother said you would be here. And here you are.
Well, Lothariel from the Sea of Nurnen. You should have stayed where you were. There's nothing here but death.
Lady Marwyn, Queen of the Shore, wishes an audience with you. She has seen visions of your misfortune.
Queen who sees visions.
Visions of the return of the great Celebrimbor. She wishes to make him an offering.
And what is this offering?
That is all I know. I must gather provisions. The return to Nurnen is long and treacherous. My camp is close by. It will be my honor to escort you.
We have defeated the Hammer of Sauron, but the Black Hand and the Tower remain.
And their master.